Jillian Ward.
Si Jillian Ward, naka-work ko po si Lola nung 12 to 13 years old po ako. Tapos we worked together for a few years. We would see each other every weekend. And ako po, sobrang grateful ko na nag-meet ko po si Lola Glo kasi she taught me how to be professional. She taught me how to love my craft. Alam niyo po, every weekend, kukwentuhan niya po ako tungkol sa buhay niya nung dalaga pa po siya, nung bata pa siya. She would tell me na dati po ang mga artista, they're not so accepted. Na yung mga artista po, hindi sobrang pinavalue yung kayo niya, hindi sobrang nare-respeto, but she still persevered. She would tell me na parang even like some fashion designers wouldn't accept artistas nung time po niya, but she didn't care. Because she loved her job. She loved doing her job. Kinukwento niya po sa akin na parang ilang piso lang po yung sahod niya every taping day. But she just loved what she was doing. And na-inspire po ako doon. And she would tell me her struggles nung as in baby pa po siya. She would show me her wedding photos na tinitingnan sa isang wooden box. And she was so happy telling me about her life. And alam niyo po, aside from her being an actress, a phenomenal actress, nakita ko po yung just her being human. Kahit sobrang sikat ng artista. Nung muna ko po siyang na-meet, kinakabahan pa ako na nasa starstruck ako kasi she's Gloria Romero. Pero nung nakausap ko na po siya, she would ask me how I'm doing. Bigyan niyo po ako ng advices. Tapos, kahit hindi na po kayo magka-work, tinatawagin niya po ako ganun. And sobrang special po sa akin kasi nagkaroon ng time din na my real-life grandma was not okay. And hindi po kami gano'n nakakapag-usap. But she stood as my grandmother. And I'm just so grateful to have met her. I'm so grateful na nagkaroon ako ng Lola Glo. Actually, noong una ko tawag ko pa sa kanya, Tita Glo. Ayaw niya po gusto niya Lola ko daw siya. And never ko makakalimutan si Lola Glo because lagi ko sinasabi na hanggang sa pagtanda ko, I want to grow up to be like Gloria Romero. And there will never be another Gloria Romero, but I pray na we will all remember her legacy and respect what she has done to the industry, and not just the industry, pati po sa lives ng mga taong nakilala niya. And I love you, Lola. Sorry po, inaabahan ako. Sorry po. Ayun lang. Let us never forget the Lola Gloria Romero. Sorry.
Thank you, Jillian. Thank you very much.